One of the things I get contacted about a lot is how to achieve clearer voice and speech. Many people say they feel they mumble or that they don't have any speech clarity. So in this video, we're going to go through 5 things you can do to achieve a clearer voice and speech. The first thing to think about is your volume. Are you a quiet speaker? Is the volume too low? Do people often ask you to repeat yourself? Volume is something that can be worked on with a speech and language therapist who specializes in voice or a voice expert. Helping someone gain insight about their volume is often a part of the process. Sometimes people aren't aware of their volume levels. Working through some exercises to help ability with voice projection is often very helpful, not only to sounding clearer, but also to someone's vocal confidence. That leads me into the second thing, which is actually confidence levels and social anxiety. Now, those things are often tied together, and many people don't realize that part of a voice therapist's role is to help develop confidence, and we're used to working with social anxiety, and these impede people's ability to feel comfortable when they talk. So it's often a deeper issue than just not speaking clearly. A third issue can actually be, though, just the articulation. Perhaps it's a bit too soft and a bit unclear. And of course, that's a routine type of work for a speech therapist to help you with. Unclear diction or articulation can be something the person is aware about but doesn't know how to change. So working on sounds that might be particularly difficult or just overall increasing the clarity of the speech sounds can be really helpful and actually helps to denote a bit of confidence. One thing you can try is reading aloud. Just reading aloud can be quite a challenge for some people, but by doing it first by yourself, reading slowly and saying all the sounds of the words can help develop some ability and some confidence. But of course, some people will benefit from having some expert guidance just to support them on their journey and to take them through a tailored program specific to them. So point number 5 is seeking out the help of a speech and language therapist who can perhaps take you through a program that's right for you, starting with basic points that will help your speech clarity and can take you through a speech and voice program that can take you to higher levels, perhaps being able to project more safely for longer, or being able to use your voice in noisier environments, or perhaps when talking to a group of people. So I wanted to give some reassurance that it is possible to work on improving voice and speech if that's a concern for you. And I hope one or some of the ways in this video have been helpful to you. And if they have, give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.